To get started with Bullx Neo, you'll need to access the platform, which can be done by clicking on an invitation link. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to open Telegram. After opening Telegram, you'll see a page that prompts you to start. And once you've begun, you'll receive a congratulations message indicating that your access code has been redeemed, and you can start trading on Bullx Neo. The next step is to log in, which will take you to a Bullx page where you'll be given your private keys for the wallet that has been created for you. It's essential to copy these private keys and import them into a wallet like Phantom, as this will provide a backup and ensure you can access your wallet even if you lose access to your Telegram account. After copying your private keys, you'll be given a final chance to save them. And it's crucial that you do so, as you won't be able to retrieve them again. With your private keys saved, you'll now have access to Bullx Neo, and you can start depositing funds into your wallet to begin trading. To do this, you'll need to go to the Wallet Manager, which can be found on the left-hand side of the page, and then click on the wallet address to copy it to your clipboard. You can then send funds to this wallet address from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Once you've deposited funds, you can start trading. But it's recommended that you first go to the settings, which can be found in the bottom left corner, to change a few things. In the settings, you can leave the security audit option ticked, which provides security information about the token. You can also set up quick buy presets, which allow you to quickly buy a coin, and buy presets, which enable you to buy different amounts of Solana. Additionally, you can set up sell presets, which allow you to choose a percentage of the amount you want to sell. To find good coins to trade, you can use the Explore tab, which shows new or trending pairs, or the Neo Vision section, which provides coins from a website called Pump Fun. These coins are split into 3 sections: New Creations, About to Graduate, and Graduated. You can click on a coin that interests you, and it will open up a chart and other information, such as trades and the buy and sell interface. When you've found a coin you like, you can buy it by clicking the buy button, and you can then check on your position by going to the Position tab. If you want to exit a trade, you can switch from buy to sell and choose a percentage to sell. You can also check your fees, which can be found under the buy and sell interface, and adjust them as needed. Other features of Bullx Neo include the Portfolio Analyzer, which shows your realized profit and loss, total revenue, and total spend, and the multi-chart terminal, which allows you to see multiple coins at once. You can also use the wallet tracker to track and analyze multiple wallets. And you can add a wallet by clicking the Add Wallet button and entering the wallet name and address. Finally, to withdraw your funds, you can either use the private key you imported into a wallet like Phantom or withdraw via Bullx Neo by adding a new wallet in the Wallet Manager. You can then transfer funds from your Solana wallet to the withdrawal wallet. With these steps, you can get started with Bullx Neo and begin trading.